Hey there. If you're looking to grow your wealth and make your money work for you, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore the best ways to invest your money, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your strategy. Let's dive right in. First option, investing in the stock market. Over time, the stock market has been one of the most profitable ways to invest. When you buy shares in a company, you're essentially owning a small piece of that business. As the company grows, so can the value of your investment. However, the stock market can be volatile, so it's essential to diversify your investments and do your research. But if you're in it for the long term, stocks can offer great returns. Second option, bonds. Bonds are generally considered a safer, more conservative investment. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to a company or government, and in return, you receive regular interest payments. Bonds offer more stability than stocks, but they also tend to provide lower returns. They're perfect for balancing a diversified portfolio with safer options. Third option, real estate. Whether you're investing in residential or commercial property, real estate is a time-tested way to build wealth. You can earn income from rent or profit from property appreciation over time. While real estate requires more upfront capital and ongoing management, it's a solid long-term strategy for those looking for tangible assets. Fourth option, mutual funds and exchange-traded funds ETFs. These funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio without having to pick individual stocks or bonds. Many investors like these because they spread risk across multiple assets. Mutual funds and ETFs are ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a hands-off approach to investing. Fifth option, retirement accounts. Contributing to accounts like a 401k or IRA not only helps you save for the future, but also provides tax benefits. Many employers even match your 401k contributions. That's essentially free money. The earlier you start contributing, the more you'll benefit from compound interest. It's one of the best ways to secure your financial future. Sixth option, high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit CDs. These are low-risk options for those who want to keep their money safe while earning a bit of interest. While their returns aren't as high as other investments, they're great for short-term goals or emergency funds. These options are perfect if you're looking for stability and easy access to your money. So what's the best way to invest your money? It really depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Stocks and real estate are great for long-term growth, while bonds and retirement accounts provide more stability. And as always, do your research or consult a financial advisor before making any decisions. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, check out the world's most profitable trading indicator, linked in the description below. This powerful tool can help you make smarter trading decisions, but please remember that trading involves risks and results can vary. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more tips and strategies for your financial success. See you in the next video.